welcome back to my channel. So I hope all are safe and sound and staying at home. So I request, as everybody is requesting, I request you to stay home and be safe. So as we all know, we are under a quarantine, like we are under a lockdown period. So most of us will not be able to groom ourselves going to any beauty clinics or any beauty parlors. So the most important problem for a woman is like your eyebrows. So generally we usually do eyebrows with the like parlor in parlor or something, but now it's quite impossible and it is not safe too. So I'll just give you a few tips and tricks how to clean up your eyebrows at home. So let's start the video. I'll go tip by tip. So the first one to be noted here is like you should always sit in a well lit room. That is, it should be well daylight. So it is always recommended to have a good daylight to do this. 2 is that you should not have any makeup on. It should be clean and your face should be totally clean. No eyebrow products, nothing should be there. Tip 3 is that always clean your face before doing any kind of like hair removal. 4 is the products which you require. So I always suggest you have a spoolie with you to comb your eyebrows. So always have a spoolie with you. If not, if you don't have a spoolie, no worries. If you have a mascara wand, like unused mascara wand or the like completed one, the finished one, you can just clean that up very well. You should clean it very well, and then you can use it as a spoolie. Then eyebrow pencil. So in order to draw a line, you need an eyebrow pencil. You should have a like eyebrow razor, something like this. You can use it for face also. It's an eyebrow razor. You get it online and offline. It is just a matter of 50 rupees or 70 rupees. You get you get a pack of 3. So you can very well invest in this. If not, you can get it in mini stores also. You have a very good version of this, but it's slightly expensive. But apart from that, you can get simple one like this. So this is very much important for today's. Scissors, not a bigger one, smaller one for a minute cutting the hair to just tone your face, like wherever you have shaved. Moisturizer of your choice, or you can use an aloe vera gel. Alright, let's start. So like first finish off your forehead now. So what happens is once you finish off your forehead, you'll get a clear picture like where to map your eyebrows. So the important tip here is always be careful when handling the razor because it's a blade. So always be very careful. So always hold your eyebrow razor in such a direction, not in a straight direction. It should be slightly slanting as I've shown in the video, and do your just get it down so that your hairs get removed as shown. I've already done a video for like shaving the face, the same thing here also, but here we are using it in the eyebrows. So first clear your forehead. Be very careful, otherwise you might get hurt. Be very gentle in removing and very careful. So once you clean your forehead, it gives you a brighter look. So always be sure to clean your forehead. Now I have a unibrow, which means like it has in between my eyebrows. So I'm removing it. One more thing to be noted here is each person's eyebrows differ from person to person. So you should be very careful. So according to your eyebrows and your eyebrow shape, you have to do it. So now I have a unibrow. I'm cleaning off that now. Then later we'll move on to the next part. So I've cleaned it fully. Now take the spoolie and brush it. So brush it in such a direction which I have shown here, that is somewhere in the slanting position. So according to your eyebrows, similarly according to your eyebrows, just do it. Now take the eyebrow pencil and map the eyebrows. So always, one more tip I could give you is that always have a thicker section, because you go by section, if not, if you're taking it very thin, then it is going to be a disaster, because you cannot create one. But if it is going to be thick, in case if need be, we can go slowly to reduce it. So always be very gentle and do not overtake it. And now here I'm just doing side by side, because I'm going to map both my eyebrows side by side, so that we'll get a clear picture. Now I'm just going to shave the minute area where the outline is drawn. You should be very careful, do not come like further down, because it might take the excess air. And in case of the outside edge, you can just pull your eyebrows like skin like this as shown, and you can do it. Now for the underline, like underline of the eyebrow, just hold in such a way, like as you hold in your eyebrows trimming section. Just hold it upwards and then clean it. Be very gentle and go slowly. Patience is the key here. And for the hairs, you can use a plucker also. If you're finding it difficulty in this part, you can just take a plucker and you can just pluck out the excess hairs. But I prefer doing this, so I'm doing it in this way. And slowly, be careful in doing this. Just hold your eyebrows tight. Similarly, I'm doing the other side as well. So try doing it both at the same time, because then only you'll get a clear idea on how to do it. See, as you can see, you just go in the opposite direction of the hair growth, so that it will be easier for you to remove. See, I always say this is just for emergency purpose, because as threading you will not get a clear result as you do in threading. It's just now, as it is in lockdown, we don't have any other option, so we did that. Now let's come to the front section, like near the front part of the eyebrows. Now just comb this. My hairs are in such a direction that it is vertical, so just comb in that direction and take out the excess using the scissors. So it, as you can see, when you are on the process, you will know how to do it. This is the I'll give you an idea. Now I'm just taking the toner and I'm going to apply it all over my like shaved area, like wherever I've shaved, I'm just applying it, because like as I said, the shaving will remove the excess like dry dead skin also, and it's something like a scrubbing. So it's always better use the toner and apply a moisturizer. Actually that I've just lost the footage, so that's it. Like, this is the finished part. Hope you like it, and I hope it's quite useful for you. If it did so, please give me a good fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.